right, here we are. These are the kind of videos I hate to do, but it's so important. I am sure you are trying to figure out what to do about the Amazon Influencer Program, because today was not a good day. I can tell you I have answers how to resolve that good day. That's because I've been in the Amazon Influencer Program for 5 years, from their beta program on through today. I have 2 YouTube channels, which are pure review channels, and between the 2 of them, I have close to 30,000 subscribers and well over 15 million views. So I have seen these days before. I have seen these really crappy days on Amazon. Thankfully, we don't have those on YouTube, which is a lot of what I'm talking to you about here, because there's a giant difference between Amazon and YouTube. And yes, you can do both of them really effectively, but don't ever think they're the same. Amazon could care less about you. You are purely a drone that, for as long as you're making them a couple pennies, they might allow you to exist within their system. YouTube values you as a partner and wants you to succeed and does all kinds of stuff to make you succeed on their platform. So if you could figure out a way to succeed on YouTube, you're going to succeed on Amazon as well. And for as long as Amazon decides that you're the drone that they want to keep around, you should be farming that land, because that is really good land. But don't be surprised when days like today come and they're like, we don't give a rat's ass about what you're doing, how you pay your bills, if you were making money before or not. The only thing we care about is we're making 30 more cents today, and if you die in the process, they're fine with that. So the interesting thing about today and Amazon is they have taken away a ton of reporting, which I'm not exactly sure why. I mean, we all know some people have figured out how to gamify the system and do these halo sales, which really are sales you had no business earning money on, but through gaming the system, you were able to recover those sales, which was fine. It wasn't something that was against the rules. It was a complete legit thing to do, but at the same time, there was no point where Amazon had designed the system and thought that we were going to figure out a way to make sales that we never really made. So that's my best guess as to why they made this correction to remove that from the platform. Makes sense to them business-wise. Sucks for you guys who were recently in the system and were relying on that as how to make money. I will tell you that Nikki and I are well over 5 digits on a monthly basis on Amazon, and it has nothing to do with Halo sales. So you can absolutely be really effective on Amazon without those Halo sales. Don't worry about that. It's going to be harder. You're going to have to execute better if you want to make that kind of money, because the gift money has just been shut off. Now, it does create some dynamic new problems. Like for Nikki and I, it creates absolute real problems because we've lost all that reporting data, and we have brand deals with all kinds of brands who rely on that data to give us bonuses when we hit our bonus marks, or just to pay us a commission on sales that we created, that we agreed to. So it is a big headache that we're going to have to figure out how to resolve. That hopefully you've gotten to that point in your relationship with these brands where it's a headache for you. I don't exactly know what the answer is going to be yet. I mean, I've looked at some of the reporting and it looks like they give you some sales that you did and they don't give you other sales that you did. So it's like, I'm not sure when we get it's really going to take like those 30 days in to really understand what's going on. I got my fingers crossed that all those brands that we're working with will somehow magically end up on those reports, but I'm not going to count on that either. And I think that really goes to the crux of the difference between YouTube and Amazon. As we sit here today, Nikki is on a plane on her way to Texas to go have an in-person meeting with YouTube, with the executives at YouTube who are working hard to give us information so we can convert sales on their platform, right? So that we can make content that people want to see, that drives sales, that makes them money, that makes us money. It is a team. They care about you on YouTube. They give you more tools than you could possibly learn how to use. I am sure if you have ever gone into your analytics page and looked in advanced mode, you would be like, oh my God, what does all this mean? Because they give you all that information so that you can do a better job making content and you can make more money on their platform. It is a win-win. They are in a team with you. As we could tell today, Amazon is not your friend. Amazon is not your partner. Amazon is actually some kind of evil stooge who allows you to exist in their little sphere for as long as they want to. And they could care less whether you succeed or don't. They don't give you data so you know whether your video is any good or not. They don't even tell you what you have to do to qualify for a sale. Nobody. There are millions and millions of us Amazon influencers who have been on this program for years and years and years, and not one of them can tell you what you need to do to qualify a sale. It is ridiculous. You can't speak to a human there. You get to speak to AI drones, but they're never helpful. Again, it is two distinct, different ways about doing business. One is like, thinks they're God and you're lucky to exist in their world and you should just take whatever scraps they give you and enjoy them. The other is an equally giant entity but sees you as a business partner, a valued business partner who wants to do business with you. So from my point of view, I think you should be focusing your business around the one who wants to be your partner, who wants to give you tools, who wants you to make money for like evergreen quality money for a long time, instead of the one who treats you like crap, shoves you around and says you can exist on their system. Now you don't want to bail on this one because they're giving out a lot of money on their system, right? So you don't want to bail on that one. But if you can maximize this one, the real partner, and still make money with the fool over here treating you like crap, then that's absolutely what you want to do. And that is the crux of what we do in the Review Business Academy. We teach you how to make the content that you were making for Amazon, spend an extra 5-10 minutes making it, and make it really effective on YouTube and on Amazon at the same time. So you can have a valued partner who treats you with respect, who gives you good money, while at the same time reaping the benefits from the giants who's allowing you to exist on their plantation. If you want to get on the wait list for the course, we're getting ready to roll it out. You better get on that list now because those early slots are filling up. And I really want to be that partner. I want to be that partner like YouTube here wanting to be that partner having you succeed. I want to be the partner that makes you really explode on YouTube while still making a lot of money with the plantation over here. To sign up for that wait list, go to reviewbusinessacademy.com, fill out a quick form. If you want to take advantage of it, I will do a personal 15-minute channel review with you. I'm sure it would be really helpful for you. I actually really love doing it. I was thinking about maybe actually comment below. Do you think I should do like a weekly live where we do channel reviews and that kind of stuff? Let me know if that's something that you think would be valuable. I'm going to add an additional challenge. If you share this video on a relevant Reddit page, whether it be YouTube or Amazon or Instagram, one of those things, or on a similar Facebook group, if you share this video there, I'll do an extra 15 minutes with you. We will do a full 30-minute deep dive into your YouTube channel or your Amazon channel, and we'll really see if we can't get things going for you. Yeah, that's my challenge for you. Take a quick screenshot after you share it. Email it to me at info@reviewbusinessacademy.com, and when we set up your 15-minute call, we'll set it up as a half-hour call so we can get really a lot deeper and stuff. I think that's a great thing. Go ahead, share that, and I will see you in the next video. Anyway, those were my emergency thoughts today as everybody was freaking out about the terrible changes on Amazon. So I hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.